I ever knew daily. So markets opened in here. We took yesterday's last pool of liquidity, right? This was the last pool of liquidity from yesterday into a M15 fair value gap, okay? So since we never closed above it, it was just a liquidity grab, okay? Then we MSS in here, right? So we flip. So this is a bearish zone for the Diogenes that were trading New York Open. That was your first win. Also a Moneymaker 2.0. Then here we closed under. Was a beautiful day, to be honest. One of the best days I ever saw. Even if you took zones to the left here, check this out. Those were wins, okay? Very forgiving, right? But the problem is that the zones were huge, so you needed like to trade with micros or see confirmations on lower time frames to get doable stop losses. Anyway, this is crazy for December, right? So anyway, so we get to the 50%. We printed this FIVG, something like that, to confirm, right? And then you take it from there, right? So I still don't trade in here. This was a win as well. Then market printed this, okay? And I start trading exactly at 11, right? I don't even look at charts before, right? So what did I see? Now, please listen to me carefully. So we had this zone, we closed under, and we build zones like this, going up to it, okay? So the moment we close under the last build up, right? So here, you sell the retracement as a confirmation, right? So this was the first trade I took. Always take small trades at first, okay? So I started at 11. I saw this rapidly. I shorted it. You know, I just shorted it. I think I shorted it at 1 minute before the 11, okay? So I just shorted this 50%. Wait. So I shorted this 50%, or I was above, but the fill was like horrible. I got filled one tick under 50%, okay? My stop, to be honest, I still put my stop here, and I targeted this low, okay? Now, why do you think I targeted this low? Because this was a target, right? You can anchor your fibs like this. Check this out, right? Magic. No problem. Next. Okay. Now, then this was never a close on the M1. Okay, so we were dealing with M1 zones. Never was a close. So this became, after we close above this high or this candle, this is a change in the state of delivery. You can buy this retracement, you can target this, or 50% of this range. But this is hard stuff, you know. I don't want to take much of your attention, okay? Now, we got here, right? Okay, for the guys that see confirmations, that was maybe your first loss, okay? So, we printed this high, okay, here, and then we closed. So if you sold these retracements, this would have been your stop loss. But if you know what you're doing, this is not a good breaker to take, okay? So the best breakers have FVGs that will get inverted, so you get more, how do you call it? More resistance, okay? So the moment we inverse these FVGs, it's game on for shorts, and more if we close under this. Okay, so if we close under this, sorry, what's that now? So if you close under this here, game on for shorts. Okay, you sell retracement into the last. See if they touch the 50%. Okay, just short of it. Okay, but if you know what you're doing, there is a fair value gap here, so there is no way they want to seek this high. So this is a golden bullet 666 trade. You could have taken it from this. Stop here. Target here. But I don't trust zones that already got mitigated in their 50s. So I was just watching, right? This is not a trade I took, okay? Now, targets here, right? I know for a fact that price stopped here, and why? Then we printed another change in state of delivery here. By these retracements, you target at least 50% of this new created zone, okay? Now, if you see carefully, or if you look carefully at this zone, we had this glitch here, right? Okay, and the first mitigation was this, okay? So, two things. You take it from the 50 without confirmation, or you wait for some liquidity to be taken, okay? And then something bearish printing. Even so, I trusted this FVG, okay? IFVG, sorry. I trusted it. Why? Let's go back, okay? To be honest, should have made a crazy trade, but I'm not a greedy guy. Okay, let me show you. So 5 seconds, right? So we took, sorry. We took liquidity and we change structure. We close under this, right? But I didn't trust it. So price mitigated again the golden bullet. And then when I saw that price was accelerating under all of this, I just entered knowing that we will inverse this IFVG. So I entered here, stop above here. We had this breakaway gaps. Let's call them breakaway gaps, okay? And then we started printing structure, okay? So you could have taken some scalps, right? So this was the trade. Okay, so I entered here, risked 380, targeted here to 2k, right? I don't know how much RR it was, but now it's giving me 6R. You guys do the maths, I don't remember exactly. Once I am above 3 Rs, I don't even care about the RR because I'm already printing money, okay? So I like shorts still for this PM, and here is the TP if I held. But I have lots of things to do, guys, and I'm not about babysitting the markets, okay? So all of these closures were just manipulations for you to hunt your stop loss because they know you are trailing your stop. So every close above any manipulation, you can sell here as well. You can sell here. That's why they are now coming back, okay? So that's how the market move. And I had a question. Patrick asked me about like, how do I know that once price closed under this, that we are going to hit the TP, okay? So it's about this manipulation, okay? So the manipulation here was huge, right? So huge manipulation equals huge distribution, right? Now, not the guy that tries to know where the market is going, but I'm kinda liking these targets for the PM session. Okay, so I'm liking 21,394 and or depends if they want to break the banks again, 21,292. Okay, those are what I like for today's PM. I'm not even talking about this low. This low is cooked. Why? Ow, I forgot something else. Let me bring you guys TFO session or kill zones. Right? Kill zones. Okay. So another thing why I was so confident about this trade is that we actually now I'm giving away more souls, right? But don't try to make it more difficult for you. I simplified everything for you guys. You could have taken the 2.0, make your 2 R's, and you're gone. Okay? But, you know, for the guys that like very hard stuff, right? So, we took launch highs and we broke structure. So by design, launch lows are on the table. And that's why I knew for a fact that this FVG or IFVG was gonna deliver. Okay, because of it looked like manipulation. This is just an inducement for guys to go long, right? So they keep printing those big dildo candles just to induce guys to go long. This is inducement. This is inducement actually. Okay, so here we go. We're still our TP hit for the 1-to-1. If I held my trade, right? So it was this here, stop loss here. If I held, it was like 9R, okay, and 11 R's if I held it to full TP, okay. So I think now PM zone will just drop, continue dropping without mitigating, coming back to these zones, okay. This was just something like that, but let's see. And I'm not even interested. I'm making this video for you guys, and yeah, I won't trade anymore. I think I won't trade even tomorrow, right? Because I make 2K on all my top step accounts with this trade, so I'm good. I'm good for like weeks. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the south, and I hope you appreciate the live trades and the videos, because I'm kind of a shy guy. I won't have the mood to post them every day I'm trading, because I hate trading now. But yeah, you got the idea. I hope I'll see you guys later, right? I'll see if I can make a video for tomorrow, right? Anyways, see you guys. Ciao, ciao.
If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any futures update. And if you want to dive deeper into the Moneymaker setup, check out the playlist that will pop up in the end screen. It's packed with everything you need to get started. Remember, everything I do is free, including our thriving Discord community. Join us and let's keep growing together. Ciao, ciao.